Shenell here from Angelic Interior Designs again, and we're continuing with our holiday Christmas series. Yes, this is just a simple DIY arrangement that you can use as a centerpiece for your Christmas decor and for your table setting as well. And you can use this any day and throughout the season as well. And again, I'm using red because that is my color of choice for the season. A few elements that I'll be using for this particular arrangement, and you can use all. And again, they're just candles. We're using basic pillar candles that you can buy at so many variety of stores out there. I won't even bother to start naming them, but there are so many stores that are available that sells regular pillar candles. Of course, I'm going to use some red flowers. I'm again using hydrangeas. I'm using some faux greenery as well, just some leaves that I have cut from the hydrangeas when I trimmed them down, because I didn't want to cut them completely down short because I may use them again in another arrangement. We want to continue to reuse, repurpose any old decorative items that we have. The magnolia that I got from the neighbor when they were pruning their tree. The pillar candles as well that I use all around the house. I normally have across my dining room table, sometimes back here on the buffet, and maybe as you've seen in the previous video, I have used them also for the decorative purposes. And again, I'm showing you here just another way that you can use something basic as a candle. A pillar candle may not again be this large. You can use smaller ones, but they are very elegant and lush looking when you cluster them together in one particular area. Simple is a tray, and I am using this tray. This tray was a DIY, and it was cut by the man. He cut it for me, and it was just a simple piece of wood, and he cut it. I waxed it down, added some simple handles to it. As you can see, it is very, very big. It is very long, and it's quite heavy. So I'm going to make the arrangement on top of the table where it will sit. And if I desire to move it, it is easy to put together and take apart as well, as you will see. So let's get right into the video.
This time of year is a time to cheer. Let our loved ones, our family and friends have a Christmas with so much love, and with joy and laughter. Let us make memories that stay forever. It's Christmas today. All snow is falling down, all the colored lights lighting up this town. And as I walk outside, hear the Christmas choir sing, Merry Christmas to you.
So again, thank you for joining me, everybody, and I hope you enjoyed this beautiful floral arrangement, this centerpiece. And it is very easy, as you can see, to put it together, and a few simple elements that you can have. You don't have to have the big wood piece, or you can get the wood piece. You can go to your local hardware store and have them to cut you a piece of wood to size as well, and it is very cost effective as well. It's not very expensive at all. And your few candles, and use some faux flowers as well you could add to the decor. Thank you for joining me again. This is Shenell, and again, I hope you're enjoying this holiday season series from Angelic Interior Designs, and I'll see you in the next one. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and definitely hit that subscribe button, and don't forget that little bell down there for the notification. See you in the next one.